These workers aren't just good, they're next level. You will see their flawless precision and creative problem-solving skills that would make an engineer jealous. So let's dive into the mind-blowing world of the most ingenious construction workers. These guys are genius and using a cheat method that his legs lifted by two people for fast concrete finishing. This construction tip is really amazing, and these workers serve as counterweight to deliver the metal roof. This genius worker needs just one move to lay all the pipes automatically. This is how a skillful craftsman carved plaster to seem like stones in just a few seconds. He is stamping the pinwheel pattern stencil to create like brick wall on the concrete before drying. Unprotected exposure to the sun is very dangerous, but he uses his brain and cardboard to protect against the heat. Using a desired sign stencil is the best and easiest way to paint the sign on the road. These workers are preventing damage to the road by placing old tires on the excavator's chain. Using a sponge to create brick patterns is the next level play. Delivering the sand to the edge of the building quickly by using a synchronization technique. He has an inventive method for plastering cement wall using a straight edge tool. It's really hard to install geomembrane smoothly in sand, but these workers have an awesome trick to solve this. These two pipes are helping in unloading smoothly without damaging the street safety barriers. Using a drill dust catcher is the best way while drilling, and it saves your time for sweeping the dust. It is almost impossible to turn a nut with a wrench in this condition, but he has a cheat method, and it just needs a rope to complete it. These bricks are squeezed and moved from one place to another by the powerful machine's arm. When he needs to work in the wet concrete, he just uses two buckets to solve that problem. This person doesn't need special tools to finish the wall. He just needs his brother, and everything will be fine. Tires are used in cars for transportation when they are new and used as cushions for fragile things when they are old. It will take much time to roll this with people, but it doesn't when the excavator's driver is a pro. He is welding pipe and stays in a bent position to do it comfortably, but I am worried about his back. Painting the entire large ship is really difficult and takes time, but lifter is the solution. The best trick to lay down all bricks with one movement is using the domino effect. He is lifting 13 bricks with precise strength and tightness, and it is really wonderful. This man is just using a brick and a little cement to reform this damaged wall. Using tire chains in snow is the best way to get traction, and it can avoid slipping and skidding too. This excavator driver doesn't need other people to make the bridge for the excavator, and he can make it himself. This tire is just helping in delivering bricks without breaking, and he should get paid too. This is how they create slip strips on stairs to avoid slipping. Using this brush for concrete finishing is really good and can save your time too. If you want to remove walls without spending too much time, buy a flamethrower to remove these leftover tiles. Adding many buckets to the conveyor belt is the next level play to transport sand from the base to the top. These two guys don't need to use their strength to do the work. The wind is helping them already. I don't know why Indian guys are real geniuses at making construction hacks without needing special tools. He is not in trouble even though there are no ramps for excavators to climb, since he is an expert. This is how pros are repairing asphalt at the skate ramp. One wrong move can fall into cement, but his balance skill saves. Finishing concrete in the middle requires a special tools, but these workers solved it with just 3 ropes. While some use a trowel to finish dry wall, he has an idea to use it for making creative designs. It is impossible to dig with an excavator's claw into this small ditch, but they have the genius idea to solve it. While some people are thinking about design for the ceiling, he is just using the fire to make creative design. This craftsman is utilizing the carbonization method to preserve the wood. These guys are unloading pipes swiftly without damaging them with just 2 ropes. Using a sharpened thing to make the holes in the pipe for the irrigation system. This door lock invention is really next level, and the thief will take the whole night to find the lock. Thank you everyone for watching till the end, and if you are okay, please like and subscribe to my channel for next videos.